Hello and welcome to Early Music Studio's Music Box series, where we look at some of the wonderful gifts which composers from the past have left to us. Today, in the Music Box, we have music of François Couperin. He was nicknamed Le Grand, or the Great One. Today we'll be looking at La Couperin, or Couperin's Piece. The melody begins in a rhythmically subtle way, far from a strong beat in the piece. It's not until we hear the little trill and the bass note that we know we've come to the first beat of a bar. Going on, we hear a chromatic scale in the lower voice, where every note on the keyboard is used. Couperin uses this device to draw us into the piece. The second section begins in a major key, brightening the mood of the piece. In contrast to the falling chromatic scale in the first section, Couperin builds this second part on a rising chromatic scale. And a few bars later, he does it more. Planar harmonies at the end match the beginning of the piece. If this is a self-portrait, it portrays Couperin as more serene on the outside and more complex within. This piece is an allemande, and normally it would go at the beginning of the suite. But here, Couperin has traded places with La Reine des Cœurs, or the Queen of Hearts, so that the Queen goes first and Couperin is third in the suite. Now, it's true, maybe the pages got mixed up on the way to the publisher, but I prefer to think it's Couperin's way of saying, "After you, Your Majesty." If you like this video, please hit like and subscribe. We have lots more coming. Bye for now.